Right, guys? And now another pattern for the left hand. I would say this could be a go-to pattern for anything melodic on the piano. On genres like ballads or maybe even some of the classical songs out there. So in your left hand, what you do is you need to break up the chord, and a lot of musicians try to play the chords full. I'm sure you can also do that, but it may be a wiser option, especially in the bass registers, to not play chords very together. In other words, you'll want to break up the notes like that. So easy way to break it up is play the root. I'm currently playing F major, which is FAC. You could take the root and then play the other two notes of the chord. I would advise playing the root first and then the chord, because the root is definitely going to be on the on beat or beat one. So it's important to not miss that amidst all this. So root and then the remaining notes of the chord. Now you can play it in a pattern of your choice. We chop it a bit. So this is like a common classical thing they do. They'll play the root and then they'll play the 5 dominant 7th, which from F major happens to be C, and you play it in this inversion, which is E, B flat, C, knocking off the 5th because that's not really needed. So it's like a 2-4 pattern. Or whatever. Right? It's a very common pattern, and you can even add a third beat to it, making it waltz. Right? So that's like 1, 2, 3, Oom-Pah, Oom-Pah. So you're basically adding the third beat, and again, that's quite a very popular. You can play. Or on 2/4, you can play something like stuff like that. Now, yeah, I've mentioned playing it over 2 beats per bar and over 3 beats per bar, which would make it a waltz. What I tend to do a lot with this rhythm is reinforce or replay the root. So I'll be playing it in this form, root and 5th, and then add the 3rd independently inside. So here's how it goes. Currently I'm swinging it and playing 8th notes. What I like about this pattern is you can ease off on the root or play it more aggressively or more times. If I want to ease off, I can go, F major. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or I can play the root more. nice vibe if you're playing swing stuff or even straight. Sorry, that is straight. And try to focus your attention on your little finger or the pinky. Don't lift it very quickly. If you lift it very quickly, the feel sort of gets a bit lost. So I'm holding it down, right? It fills up the space a lot more when you can improvise in your right hand. Okay, so that's about broken chords, guys. In conclusion, this is your first style, root and the remaining notes. Next one is Oom-Pah or Waltz. There's always some flair, like stuff like that. And what else? Then we have root and fifth together, and then inside it we have the third. Right, and then you can move that or play the root however frequently you want. Right, and join me in the next lesson where we'll start playing some arpeggios, which are always a lot of fun.